Hello! Welcome back to English Ember.
Hi everyone, we're so excited you're here.
I'm Ella.
And I'm James. On this channel, we help you practice real everyday English through natural conversations.
Today, we're going to talk about 3 words that confuse a lot of English learners. The verbs have, do, and get.
These 3 words are used constantly in English, but they have so many different meanings and uses, it can be really overwhelming.
Please remember to like this video and subscribe to English Ember for more English practice. It really helps us grow.
Let's get started.
So, James, when I was learning about English grammar, these 3 verbs drove me crazy. Did you ever struggle with them?
Actually, yes, especially get. Native speakers use get for everything, and it wasn't always clear to me why.
Right? Get is probably the most confusing of the 3, but let's start with have, since it's a bit more straightforward.
Good idea. Have is one of the most common verbs in English. Let's break down its main uses.
First, have can show possession or ownership, like I have a car or she has 2 brothers.
Exactly. When you use have this way, it means you own something or it belongs to you. He has a nice house.
But wait, here's where it gets tricky. In American English, we can also use have got to show possession.
That's right. I have a car and I've got a car mean exactly the same thing. But have got sounds more casual and conversational.
So you might hear, I've got 3 dogs, or she's got a great idea. It's very common in spoken English.
Now, have is also used to talk about experiences, like I have been to Paris, or have you ever tried sushi?
This is the present perfect tense. We use have plus the past participle to talk about life experiences.
For example, I have seen that movie, or they have visited Japan twice.
Another important use of have is with certain activities. We say have breakfast, have lunch, have dinner.
Why do we say have dinner instead of eat dinner? That confuses learners.
Great question. Both are correct, but have dinner is more common in everyday speech. We also say have a drink, have a snack.
There are so many have expressions, like have a meeting, have a party, have fun.
Yes, and have a shower, have a bath, have a rest. These are fixed expressions that you just need to memorize.
One more important use. Have can mean must or need to, like I have to go or she has to work tomorrow.
That's obligation. Have to shows that something is necessary or required. I have to study for my exam.
Okay, now let's move on to do. This verb is also super versatile.
Do is used in so many ways. First, do is the main verb for actions and activities. What do you do means what's your job?
Right, and we use do for general activities. I'm doing my homework. She's doing the dishes. He does yoga.
Do is often used with work-related tasks. Do the laundry, do the cleaning, do the ironing.
But here's the confusing part. Do is also used as a helper verb to form questions and negatives.
Exactly. In questions, we say, do you like coffee? Not, you like coffee. The do helps form the question.
And in negatives, we use do plus not. I don't like vegetables, or she doesn't speak Spanish.
This helper verb usage is crucial. Without do, your questions and negatives won't sound natural.
Do is also used for emphasis. If someone says, you don't like pizza, you can respond, I do like pizza to emphasize.
That's a great point. The emphasis on do shows you're contradicting what they said. I do want to go.
There are also tons of expressions with do, like do your best, do me a favor, do damage.
And do well, do badly, do business. These are common phrases you'll hear all the time.
Now let's talk about get. This is where things get really interesting. Get might be the most versatile verb in English.
Oh boy, get has so many meanings. Where do we even start?
Let's start with the most basic meaning. Get means to receive or obtain something, like I got a present, or she got a new job.
Right. When something comes to you or you acquire it, you get it. I got an email from my boss.
Get can also mean to become. It's getting cold, means the temperature is becoming colder. He got angry means he became angry.
This is super common. I'm getting tired. It's getting late. She's getting better at English.
Get can mean to arrive or reach a place. What time did you get home? Or when will we get there?
Yes, I got to work at 9 a.m. Or let me know when you get to the restaurant.
Here's another meaning. Get can mean to understand. Do you get it? Means do you understand?
Right. I don't get this math problem. Or I finally got the joke. It's very informal and conversational.
Get is also used to make something happen or cause something. I need to get my hair cut, or she got her car fixed.
This is called the causative get. You're not cutting your own hair, you're causing someone else to cut it. I got my phone repaired.
Now here's where get gets crazy. There are hundreds of phrasal verbs with get.
Oh no, phrasal verbs, these are so difficult. Can you give some examples?
Sure. Get up means to wake up and leave your bed. I get up at 7 a.m. every day.
Get on and get off are used with transportation. Get on the bus, get off the train.
Get in and get out are used with cars and small spaces. Get in the car. Get out of here.
Get along means to have a good relationship. I get along well with my coworkers.
Get over means to recover from something. I can't get over how beautiful this place is. Or she's getting over a cold.
Get by means to manage or survive. I get by on a small salary. Or my Spanish isn't perfect, but I can get by.
Get through means to finish or survive something difficult. I need to get through this project by Friday.
Wow, there are so many. This is why get is so confusing for learners.
Absolutely. But the good news is native speakers use these all the time, so you'll hear them constantly if you practice.
Now let's talk about common mistakes learners make with have, do, and get.
One big mistake is using make instead of do. People say make homework, but it should be do homework.
Right. In English, we generally do tasks and activities, but we make things or create things. Do the dishes, but make dinner.
Another mistake is forgetting to use do in questions. People say, you like pizza? But it should be, do you like pizza?
That's such a common error. In English, most questions need the helper verb do.
With GEF, learners sometimes translate directly from their language and it doesn't work. Each language uses these verbs differently.
Exactly. You can't always translate word for word. You need to learn how English uses these verbs naturally.
Another mistake is using the wrong form after have to. People say, I have to goes, but it should be I have to go.
After have to, you always use the base form of the verb, never the s or ing form. She has to work, not she has to works.
Now let's practice some real conversational examples using all three verbs.
Great idea. Let's create a mini dialogue. I'll start. Hey, James, what do you have to do today?
Well, I have to do my laundry and get some groceries. What about you?
I've got a meeting at 2 p.m. and then I need to get my car serviced.
Are you getting along with your new coworkers?
Yeah, I'm getting to know them better. They're really nice. Do you want to have lunch together?
I'd love to, but I don't have time today. I have so much to do.
See, in that short conversation, we used have, do, and get in so many different ways.
Exactly. That's how natural conversation works. These verbs appear in almost every sentence.
Now let's look at some really useful expressions with each verb that you should memorize.
Good idea. Let's start with have expressions. Have a good time means to enjoy yourself.
Have a seat means sit down. Have a look means take a look at something. Have a try means attempt something.
Have a word with someone means to talk to them briefly. Have second thoughts means to doubt your decision.
Now, do expressions. Do someone a favor means to help them. Do your part means to fulfill your responsibility.
Do the trick means to solve the problem. Do wonders means to have an amazingly positive effect.
And get expressions. Get the hang of it means to learn how to do something. Get cold feet means to become nervous.
Get on someone's nerves means to annoy them. Get the ball rolling means to start something.
These expressions are gold. They make you sound much more natural and fluent.
Absolutely. Now let's review the key points about have, do, and get.
First, have. The main word we need to remember is possession. Have shows ownership or possession.
For example, I have a car means I own a car. Have can also mean possession.
Another key word is obligation. Have to expresses necessity or obligation.
Like, I have to work, or she has to study. It means you must do something.
For do, the key word is action. Do is used for activities and tasks.
Like, do homework, do the dishes, do exercise. Do represents actions you perform.
Another important use is as a helper. Do helps form questions and negatives.
Do you understand? And I don't know. Do is essential for proper sentence structure.
For get, the first key word is receive. Get means to receive or obtain something.
Like, I got a gift, or she got a promotion. You're receiving or acquiring something.
Another meaning is become. It's getting dark or I'm getting hungry means the state is changing.
And arrive. What time do you get home? Get means to arrive at a destination.
Finally, understand. Do you get it? Means do you understand? It's informal and very common.
Those are the core meanings. Understanding these will help you use these verbs correctly.
Now it's time for our question of the day.
Are you ready? Today's question is, which of these three verbs, have, do, or get, do you find most confusing? Why?
Or maybe you've mastered them all. Tell us which one was the hardest for you to learn.
Write your answer in the comments below. You can write something like, get confuses me because it has so many meanings, or I struggle with do in questions.
We read every comment, and we love hearing about your learning challenges. Your questions help us create better lessons.
Don't be shy. Share your struggles or your success stories with these verbs.
So, to summarize today's conversation, we talked about how to use have, do, and get in English.
We learned that have shows possession, experiences, and obligation with have to.
We discovered that do is used for actions, tasks, and as a helper verb in questions and negatives.
We explored the many meanings of get, receive, become, arrive, and understand.
We looked at common phrasal verbs with get, like get up, get on, get along, and get over.
We discussed common mistakes learners make with these three verbs.
And we practiced using them in natural conversation and learned useful expressions with each verb.
We hope this lesson helps you understand and use have, do, and get with more confidence.
Remember, these verbs are everywhere in English. The more you practice, the more natural they'll become.
Thank you so much for watching English Ember today. We really appreciate your support.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's learning English.
And don't forget to subscribe to English Ember and turn on notifications so you never miss a new lesson.
We'll be back soon with another grammar topic to help you master English.
Until then, keep practicing, have fun, do your best, and get better every day.
From both of us, thank you and goodbye.
See you next time.